Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're gonna be cleaning my engine. I bought this off Facebook Marketplace, and as you guys can see, it is dirty, greasy, and what's not better to test it out with Super Clean. Gonna test it out, see how it is, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. There are spark plugs in there, in case you're wondering. I couldn't find the spark plugs there, but I'm not gonna be putting water up there. I'm mostly gonna be focusing on the block. You guys can see it, numbers, everything, how caked it is. Before I start spraying it, let's see how good it does. I'm gonna wash it first, regular water, and let's see what happens with the chemicals.
Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like a star. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter, and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like a thug. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter.
Remember, this is for the regular person. You don't have to use gloves. It's not gonna eat your skin or whatsoever. So there you go, applying it.
It's feeling
Right.
like a cold dark winter and the sun's still
With the whole heavy.
She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah.
Cut off the
It's
camera.
feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees.
As you can see, everything's covered, everything's dripping. You can see the oil grease that's baked down for years. I bought this from Facebook Marketplace. You guys can see everything. I didn't miss in the spot. So you see how it's coming off, dripping there. And let's see how clean we can get it. Cause this cheap cans compared to the expensive chemical we use, that's the key part. If it works, great. Now if it doesn't, then have an issue.
Wrongs, know that daddy never made it right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like a stud. Through the cold dark winter. Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute.
I don't want to brush anything, but I had to take a picture for a thumbnail. You see how it's working, the grease coming out. Pressure washer. This is not a professional one, it's not a gas one. 12 volt water hose one. Okay.
Another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like a thug. Through the cold down winter. Did you say goodbye? Knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday. Did you waste my time? Knowing damn well we can press rewind. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted.
So sorry not to get all the video, but it cleans really good. So I would say the only issue with that I have, super clean, is that one of the aerosol cans is going to be for an engine this dirty. See, I couldn't get all that out. The majority of it came out pretty good. How I looked before. I had to put an oil filter on it because I didn't want to wash it without it. Doesn't look bad. I'm gonna wash a different engine. I'm gonna wash a MR18 or MR20. MR18, this one, with the chemical we use. Our chemicals, the one that we use from that barrel, is really hardcore. You need a glasses, safety gear. But what I like about the Super Clean, it doesn't leave residue. I think they did a great job. You guys can see there's a lot of residue left, a lot of grease and grime. You see the flashlight. So now, I know understand it's made for brakes and stuff, but it doesn't do a great lot. So we're gonna use my super acidic chemical instead now. See what it missed.
It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling.